What's closer, left or right?
I think we just go that tall branch right there.
Yeah.
Oh, I see where these two just landed. They're fucking close.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See that tall branch?
That tall branch, and then we can move from there.
I think at that tall branch it starts to cut down.
Yeah. And then we're gonna be like looking in their face.
You're gonna get down. Yeah, no, she goes.
There's a shit ton over there.
Hey, it's all like that.
Yeah.
Holy fuck, dude. Stay down.
Yep. We have another 10 yards and then
Pick it up to section. Shoot, go.
let's go, boys. That was mayhem. Right now we're working on the collection of these birds. We're gonna go around and come on the ice and pick all these birds up. So we're not just out here shooting to shoot. We're actually picking them up today. So snow goose season, South Dakota. 2 buddies and myself, and I think we're a little bit shy of 100 birds. So it's been a great day overall, and man, what an experience. Yes guys, we're out here on the ice, actually on the ice, picking up our geese. We're out here making a really valid effort to pick up all our geese. We have a bunch of geese to recover, as you guys can see. So it's a working effort right now. 3 or 4 of us picking up. Man, this was an experience. So we're not just shooting them and not retrieving them. We are out on the ice, and as you can see, some of the ice started to melt, so we had to kind of go around to the edge over here and kind of make our way this way, and we're picking up our geese slowly. So it's been a really successful one. We've managed to pretty much take care of all of the cripples in terms of finishing them off, and we have a long haul back to the the truck, which is on the other side of that hill, about 200 yards. So as you guys can hear and see, these geese are still flying above us. This was a big roost or a loaf that they were at this time of the day. They kind of find water or anywhere they can kind of meet up and rest together, so that's what this was. And we were able to get permission from the farmer, who was more than happy to give us permission to hunt these geese, because as you know, these geese do a lot of damage to farmers and their crops throughout the year. So they're always happy when hunters ask to come hunt them, and we're always happy to come